Let's get arty at our party and make brilliant countryside flowers with a busy bee buzzing around. But first, we'll need some things from...
The Doodle Tube!
That's right! We'll need a washing up brush and a paintbrush. Lots of coloured paint. A cow. Doodle Tube, we don't need a toy cow. How amusing. And we'll need some stickers, a pen and a glue stick. Mini makers, this can get a little bit messy, so it's a good idea to put down some newspaper or some old paper first. And the first thing we're going to do is bring in our background paper or card. Now we're going to make some beautiful flowers, and we're going to do that with an old washing up brush. So, Lily, would you mind passing me that brush? Thank you very much. It's nice and clean now, and I'm going to dip it in the first colour. You get lots of paint on your brush, and then push it on, like that. And when you take away the brush, it looks really good, doesn't it? And now we can choose a different colour. First of all, we need to clean the brush off over here. I'm giving it a good clean. Now let's do another colour. I think white will be nice here. Down and push. And how about a pink flower too? And now we need to use some paint to paint on the stalks and the grass. Now, we need something to fly above our flowers. What should we put on our picture?
Bee!
A bee! And we can do that by using an oval shape of paper. And I've used a pen to draw on a head and some stripes. Oh, could I have some glue, please? Thank you very much. Let's put some glue on the back and then stick it on. There, we've got our bee's body, and now we need to give it some eyes. These nice round stickers will work really well. And we can use a pen to add small dots for pupils. Now, our bee is missing something. What is it?
The wings!
That's right, the wings. So we can make wings out of small pieces of newspaper like this. I'll put some glue on it and then stick it on. That was one wing. And now let's stick down the second wing. There, our bee's looking brilliant. Do you like it, Mini Makers?
Yeah!